In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in negative MACD territory. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we still remain in slightly negative MACD, and we're seeing signs of a diverge there. As we extend out further to the daily chart, we also remain in negative MACD. And we're now below the 200 moving average, this green line acting as our resistance at a price of $25.90. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio by long entries at $22.27. My sell target is at $23.95, and my stop loss is at $21.70. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.43, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $22.87, and my stop loss is at $25.06. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 44% chance to climb between 0 to 5%, 11% chance to climb between 5 to 9%. To the downside, has a 44% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.